We have the small rectangular, this one, with dimension 125 and 20 and 30 centimeter. Now we will calculate the volume of this small rectangular. We know the volume is length times width times height of the rectangular. So apply this formula by multiplying 30 times 20 times 125, which is 75,000 centimeter cube. Now, the big rectangular, which is the blue one, it's still holding water. So this is the dimension of the big rectangular. Now we will evaluate the volume of the rectangular, and we will mention it by B2. So it's 85, 40, and 125. It will be 425,000 centimeter cube. Now, the drop time, it's from 10:30 until 12 p.m. So from 10:30 till 12 p.m., the time is 1.5 hours. Now, we need to calculate in 1 hour how many centimeter can we drop out by dividing the first volume by 1.5 hour. So we will find it's 50,000. So in 1 hour, we can drop 50,000 centimeter cube. Now then, the next step is to divide the 425,000 by the 50,000. We will find it's 8.5. 8.5 mean we need 8.5 hour to drop out the water from the big rectangular. So 8.5 is starting from 12 p.m. until we will finish at 8:30 because we need 8.5 hours. So the time, okay, for the big rectangular, we will finish at 8:30. So since we start from 10:30, we will finish to drop out the water from this container at 8:30 p.m. This is the answer of question number 3, and this is the step